friends where their bodies was dumped on the side of the road when they overdosed. You're willing to die to get your next fix.
He speak eloquently.
You really are.
It runs with, within your blood, or it's your DNA.
Ne re ja papa le morogo, papa ka malamogodu, chicken feet.
So that I understand all the cleaner.
I woke up to candlelight. Ne stove.
Yeah, that's me saying yebuba.
One night they stole all the sheep. All of them. All of them. Wiped everything out.
And how you were taught to know the value of things.
Committing fraud. House breakings. First of all, I was molested by a male person. You are made believe that this is a game. I remember that day that rotang was broke on my band in 3 pieces. I did down in city field. Now, it's on Twilliam.
Yeah.
Can
you to know any day then, ne?
It's a. 2 years.